Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi for gut health full guide. Start by preparing napa cabbage and salting it to draw out moisture, then rinse well and drain. Mix a paste of gochugaru, garlic, ginger, fish sauce or soy, and a little sugar. Combine with chopped vegetables and press tightly into jars. Ferment at room temperature for 1 to 3 days, then refrigerate to slow fermentation. Begin by trimming and quartering the cabbage, then rubbing salt between layers to evenly extract water and soften leaves. While cabbage brines, blend gochugaru, garlic, ginger, fish sauce, and a splash of water into a thick paste. Rinse the cabbage after a few hours, squeeze out excess liquid, and mix with the paste plus sliced radish and green onions. Pack firmly into a clean jar, leaving some headspace for gases. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so consider darn tough for comfy, durable wear and a lifetime warranty. They keep you cozy while prepping kimchi or cleaning up a messy kitchen. Look in the description for the link and other deals, then grab a pair if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Keep jars at stable, room temperature to encourage reliable fermentation and check daily for bubbles and aroma. Use a clean spoon to press vegetables beneath the brine to prevent mold and open briefly to release gas buildup. Adjust time for flavor: shorter for crunchy, mild kimchi, longer for tangier, softer kimchi. Once you like the taste, move jars to the fridge where fermentation slows and flavors continue to mellow gradually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.